Hello, hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you the new test routes. So already I have uploaded a page test route demonstration. So this one, there is a confusion to every students and the instructors as well on Redmoor Spiral Roundabout. New test route is taking from A5 towards to Redmoor Roundabout, taking 4th exit stadium side. So this test route from Portway, H5 Portway Spiral Roundabout, turning right into A5. So I'm in Great Home now. So coming out from Great Home towards to H5 Portway. The test route is coming through this way, H5 Portway. I'm going to show you the new way examiner advised. So we are going to turn right A5 south. So this is Portway Spiral Roundabout. Check your mirrors and put the right signal, but this one, because of Spiral Roundabout, is coming with the traffic light. So you need to act according to the traffic light rules, not the roundabout rules. So you don't need to, if it is green, you just go. So on Portway Spiral Roundabout, we are turning right, 3rd exit. Keep inside and then enter into the middle lane. So from the middle, straight away nicely come to the left, and temporarily the traffic light is not working, but that's your priority now. So entering into the slip road, notice the national speed A5 towards to south. So this one, slip road, you already maybe know how to join on the slip road. You need to match the speed whoever on the left lane on the A5. Left lane mean this is the left lane of the A5. So you need to be very careful watching your blind spot, a glance, not moving your body, a glance to your shoulder who is joining. Sometimes people give way to you, sometimes it's not. If it is not safe, they don't give way to you. So you need to match your speed. So because you don't have any priority, but don't try to stop or harshly brake or anything on the slip road. So you need to speed and match your speed with the traffic on the left lane on the A5. So I'm on A5 heading towards to Redmoor Spiral Roundabout. So Redmoor Spiral Roundabout, I have done few other videos, but that's coming from H9 Grove Way to V6 Grafton Gate Road, or from Grafton Gate side towards to A5 North Dunstable, London Dunstable exit. That's heading towards to Kelly's Kitchen Roundabout. And another third test route is from Grafton Gate to turn right, 4th exit, heading towards to A5 North. But this one, last few weeks, examiners taking this new test route, which is I have already uploaded today with the page demonstration. Then we changed the lane on Redmoor Roundabout. But now I asked the examiner said try this way without changing lane, you can go towards to stadium exit. So this is very interesting. At the next exit we are going to leave. Check the mirror, put the left signal, heading towards to Redmoor Spiral Roundabout. So this is new to me as well, because we don't use this test route, but examiners now using in Bletchley. So I'm on exit lane, slip road, entering into the right lane. We are going to turn right, 4th exit, stadium exit. So check your mirror. You can put the right signal, or if you don't want, you just leave it. So keep on the right lane. So don't break the lanes now. I'm staying on the right lane now. So on the left side, first exit, stay on the right. Until your exit, your 4th exit, stay on the right lane. Look at that. Keep on the right lane nicely. Keep inside, because if you go to the right lane, you need to change the lane. But we are not changing any lanes now. You need to be very careful with the traffic light. Now in this situation, look at this. The left is turning left only lane, but this lane is following straight and right. So examiners, I asked one of the examiner, he said, stay here in this right lane, will take you to the right side of the fourth exit. So we have passed the third exit now. So coming up, that one ahead is the fourth exit. That's the stadium exit. So when you stop behind the red traffic light, when red and amber, check your mirrors. Nicely enter into the middle. Look at this. From this middle, this is the very important point. Enter into the right lane here. The speed limit is 40. Stay on this right lane. I'm not changing any lane. I'm entering into the right lane of this fourth exit. But examiner said, if you want, you can change the left lane here. But it's not necessary, because this lane is going straight and that lane is joining inside. So most appropriate priority lane is this one. Because if you enter into the left lane, you have to change the lane over there. You need to join. Look at the arrow mark on the left side. So now I have priority, they have to look me, because arrow mark is for them, their side. So now we are entering into Granby Roundabout. So this is the newest way. Hope you enjoy this video, new video, get benefit on this. If you need any test route preparation or mock test, please feel free to contact me on WhatsApp anytime. I will be helping prepare you for the test route preparation. So we do especially test route preparation and mock test whoever need in Bletchley, Leighton Buzzard, Bedford, Northampton, Banbury. Thank you guys. Bye bye.